Ow, stop biting me. That hurts. God damn Midnight. Why is you keep biting me? He's biting me. God damn. Ah. 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 Damn it. He's wrong. Don't you dare place my camera. Fail! See, you have to put likes to sleep right there. Again, let's go meet my birds. This eagle. Say hi, eagle. No, he does, Hawk. Tweety. Damn, calm down. Exactly. That's our dog. That's Randy, the pussy. Oh, let's go look inside. Chillax, I'm not gonna do anything. Again, eagle. You see how eagle and Randy look? They look the same. Confusing. Except that Randy, the annoying one, likes to sing. See if I can see myself in the mirror. Oh, gotta clean that mirror. Hang on. What are you doing? Get off. I'm gonna take out the mirror. Give me a sec. Calm down. Are they gonna do anything? It's much harder than it looks. Yeah. Yeah, screw that. I'm trying to see myself in the mirror. Okay. That's random. I mean, it's like, what the hell is that? What do you want to move him? Maybe. I'm gonna try it. Ah, too close. That's Rookie. Hang on, it's dark. There we go. This is Christian's room. Georgie the fatty. I love his position. Looks so wrong. Oh, snap. Scaring me. Rookie. Okay, I'll go to my dad's room. AKA the room with the bathroom. Not fair. Hey, you know what? I'll bring Minute with me. Not the king. My family. No, well, this is when we were little. And Midnight keeps following me. Midnight, you're not supposed to be in this room. You know that? You know that? It's my mom's laptop. The fan I used to have. midnight. You're really not supposed to be in this room. Me? What's that? TV I used to have. Bathroom. Again, not fair. I want to use this bathroom. It's nice, huh? The kitchen. Oh, this video is very long. Something wet on the floor. That's what she said. This is awesome. Stop following me! Why do you keep following me? He likes me. Come here. Why do you keep following me? He keeps following me. Okay, now this is the bike. Sorry, it's dark. Of course, here's Ricky. Ricky! Again, sorry, if it's dark. The laundry. He keeps following me! Okay, that's David's bike, and this is my bike. The gray one. The silver one, excuse me. That does not hurt. And that's my house.